Do you love spicy scents, or like that spice that comes with fall aromas, or a way to jazz up the winter weather? Today, I'm going to be telling you all about Nutmeg Essential Oil. I'm Katie, I'm a certified aromatherapist, and I love teaching people how to use essential oils. And today we are all talking about nutmeg. Nutmeg is a very good cleaner. Some studies have found it to be good at killing bacteria and fungi. This oil also has a warming effect on the skin, which can be soothing. It can also help support circulation. That warming effect will help stimulate blood flow to that area, which you can find soothing. If you give nutmeg a smell, immediately you're gonna feel energized. That spicy aroma wakes you up and makes you more alert. So when we look at the uses of an essential oil, we look at how they were used throughout history, and then we also look at the chemical constituents. So throughout history, nutmeg essential oil was really popular in Indonesia, and we can look at the ways those people used it throughout history. So if we look at the report, we'll see that one of the main constituents of nutmeg is saponine. Saponine is known to help kill germs and fungi, and it's also an antioxidant, which makes it useful for skincare. You can use this oil highly diluted in skincare recipes, otherwise that warming effect you might find irritating on your skin, and I'll talk more about that in a little bit. So let's talk about some recipes that you can use nutmeg essential oil in. You can always just try it in the diffuser by itself for a spicy aroma. You can also try it with our Love Essential Oil blend. I love that combination. I call it Love and Spice, and we have a link to that recipe in the blog post linked below. You can also try it in our Winter Woods candle recipe. Using essential oils to make candles are super easy, and it's a great way to replace synthetic fragrances, which are filled with toxic chemicals. It smells so good. And also our Energy Synergy roll-on. Take advantage of those energetic qualities of the oil in a roll-on to help energize you. All these recipes are linked to in the blog post in the description box. All right, so let's make sure you know how to use nutmeg essential oil safely. We recommend to use it with individuals aged 10 and up. Younger than that, it can be irritating. Nutmeg essential oil can be irritating to that skin. That warming sensation can cause redness and irritation. Make sure you're properly diluting it, and I've got a dilution chart linked to in the blog post. Avoid using this oil around cats and dogs. Whenever you're using an essential oil, be sure to leave the door open so that your pet can leave if the aroma distresses them. I'm Katie, certified aromatherapist with Simply Earth. I love teaching people how to use essential oils. For more videos like this one, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time.